me.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat.
So, oh, my heating is on, and while that's like working, I'm just going to gather up things that I want to show you guys. So I'm actually about to eat my breakfast. I have overnight chia seeds soaked in yogurt and lactose-free milk because I'm lactose intolerant, and I actually forgot to add the oats, so I literally added them this morning, like few minutes ago. That's why I'm still stalling eating it, because it's just better when it's overnight, and I forgot to do that yesterday. So while that's soaking, I'm going to show you guys things I've gotten and I've received this year. They've come in like slowly over the weeks. Like a few minutes ago, I just had one for a Christmas gift for myself. I actually got me these shoes. It's the Nike Zoom Fomeros. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. And I got the silver one. Yeah, I love this shoe so much. I can't wait for it to stop raining and being wet in the UK and actually get to wear this like during summer. I'm not messing up any of my shoes. Like, this is nice. The New Balance that I got for myself, I think you guys see that on most of my vlogs. Yeah, those New Balance, they've been through a lot and I need to wash them. I need to clean them because I'm quite ashamed of how much time I've let go by without cleaning or washing them. So yeah, I need to do that. But these, I'm making sure that I never get to wear like when it rains or when it's wet, unless I drive. So yeah, that's one. And then this just came in, and it's actually like pretty much, it's not much. I don't know why they always like make it so dramatic. It's it's just a body lotion. This is actually for my mom, and what I got for myself is this too. So I got me COSRX pimple patches. I love these a lot. They actually like work, and if you can tell, I have like some visitors on my face, so I need to zap them out. And then this lip balm from Sephora. This is actually my second purchase, and it's not because I use it a lot and I'm like really obsessed with it. No. Story is, on the first day I got it, I used it that morning, and yeah, that's the end of the story. I can't remember where I placed it. I don't know if I placed it in my pocket, if it fell when I was on my way to work, because that morning I was in like such a rush. I don't remember where I placed it, so I lost it basically. And yeah, I'm getting it again. That day I actually liked it. It gave my lips like a little bit of color, so it brought it alive. So yeah, did I even get the right? You see, I got the wrong one. My first purchase was the watermelon one, and I think this is cherry. Yeah, this is cherry. So let me see how much tint this gives. I don't like the taste, but I like the color, so I still remember like the watermelon taste, so I actually like that a lot. It just pains me that I lost it and I have to buy another one. So this is it, and I'm going to make sure that I keep this like really, really well. And then for the last part of my haul, there's actually two more parts, but I think I showed it already earlier in the vlog. I got a gym set. So I got pink sports bra and pink leggings from Fabletics. And it's not because I wanted to get it. It's because I had to get it. Story being, if you're signed to Fabletics and you have like a membership account, you have to pay $54.99 if you don't skip the month. So it turns into credit, and then you can use your credit to like get whatever you want from the site. And I've always made sure to skip from the 1st to the 5th, and I didn't skip, so yeah, I basically got 1 credit and I had to spend it on an item. So that set was like the only set that they had that I actually liked. I was skeptical about the color, you know, but I actually love the color. It suits me, so I got this set as 1 VIP credit. Yeah, anyway, for the last part of my haul, one of those days I closed from the gym. I think it was the day the day I went to the gym impulsively on a Sunday. I went to the bookstore, yeah, one of them. So yeah, they sell books, and I went there for a planner and I got this one. So this is actually a student planner and it has all these stickers on it, and yeah, it's just like a really nice planner, but it's for students. And at the time when I was in the shop, it looked like really nice and organized, and I think I saw potential somewhere, but getting home I didn't see that potential anymore. It would definitely suit a student more, and I'm not a student, so I hope this doesn't disturb the background, but I'm not a student, so it's like really hard for me to like, I just wanted something to use to do my to-do lists for the day, and now I have like this very complex planner. So I mean, one day I'm going to find use for it. I've used it like once or twice, but I couldn't really get into it. It's such a great planner for a student, but it's definitely not for everyday life, and I am going to admit that it was my mistake thinking that I could make something out of it. Maybe one day I'll figure it out, but for now it's just going to be on my bedside drawer looking pretty, because that's all it can offer me now. I also got this. This has been on my wish list for so long, and I actually saw this and I was like, oh, this is nice. It's the hardback one, and on Amazon it was like, I think $15.99 or so. I got this £20. Now hear me out. This is an exclusive copy, okay? So I'm going to hide it because I don't know, but this is like an exclusively signed copy by the author. So yeah, that's why I got it. It's not, I don't even know her, but I'm just so supportive that I got an exclusively signed copy of a book that I've not even read the synopsis of. So Angel, make it make sense. Yeah, I'm just that kind of cheerleader, and I support people from afar even if they don't know me or anything. So I got a signed copy of a book that I don't even know anything about, but I was just like, oh, since I'm a book collector, I might as well get one signed copy in there. And I spent the extra £5 just to get this, and I don't regret it. I haven't read it yet, so I haven't regretted it. It has to be a good book. That's all I have to say. Like, it has to be a good book. That's the only thing I'm counting on right now. It has to be a good book. So that's that. So I got these two from Amazon. I have a book from this author. I actually didn't really like it. I think it's The Fake Boyfriend Fiasco. I didn't read past the 4th chapter or so. I just couldn't get used to it, honestly. It's just not my kind of book. That's all I have to say. It's just not my kind of book. This one, it's really nice. Like, I like the back and forth between the main characters, yeah. So I haven't read it all, but I've definitely gone like way past half. And this I just got because it was on my wish list. It was on sale for like £4 something, and I don't know, this is girl math, but I'd rather spend the extra £5 to buy another item and qualify for free shipping than pay £5 for shipping and get my other item. Shipping fee for me is just so hard to pay. I don't know why, and I know that they make it so we can spend more, but And then the last book I got, which I'm actually excited to read, is The List by Yomi Adegoke. This book has been recommended by a lot of people, like a lot of vlogs, a lot of like readers that I see, they always recommend this book, so it must be a bestseller for a reason, and I'm so excited to find out what that reason is. So I think I'm going to read this after I'm done with this. So wish me luck. And I've been talking for the past 14 minutes 15 seconds now, so yeah, I need to get out of here. I need to eat first of all. I need to eat, I need to edit this video and get it across to you, and then I will finish this book. And I don't want to end my videos the way I've been ending them last year. So thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you guys on my next one. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.